Almost everything in our society has been improved in recent decades, but not much has changed with basement waterproofing drainage systems until now, with the Basement Defense Waterproofing System from Peak Structural. We still see the same challenges when it comes to water drainage in homes. The need to prevent the drainage system from clogging, also drain water from the walls effectively, and to be able to handle heavy water flows during extreme weather events. In 1994, the WaterGuard drain system was invented. This patented system involves installing a drain under the perimeter of the basement floor and is specifically engineered to drain water from the walls, the wall footing joint, and from under the floor, taking it to a sump pump or other drain outlet. In helping thousands of Colorado homeowners solve their basement waterproofing challenges over the years, we have developed ways to take a great system like WaterGuard and enhance its performance to handle the unique climate and weather challenges we experience here in Colorado. To give our customers the highest possible level of protection from basement floods, Peak Structural has developed the Basement Defense Waterproofing System. With the Basement Defense System, we install tried and true WaterGuard, and then we add an additional drain channel at a lower position next to the footer. This lower channel provides extra flow capacity during periods of heavy rain or snowmelt, while achieving a specification most Colorado engineers agree is critically important for any water management system, providing a downhill slope to the sump pump, something that top-of-footer channels alone simply cannot do. To install the Basement Defense Waterproofing System, the perimeter of your floor is opened up and a trench is created above and next to the footing. Then, a fabric liner is laid next to the footing and the lower channel is placed and backfilled with stone. The fabric is then wrapped around the stone and the pipe to prevent clogging of the system. The WaterGuard drain is set in place on top of the footing and backfilled with stone. The floor is then restored flush. The Basement Defense System prevents clogging from debris buildup and is far less disruptive to your home than other waterproofing systems available. The WaterGuard wall drain is neat and clean, and a special drain outlet ensures water from the system flows directly into the sump pump. Special access ports allow the system to be accessed for inspection and provide convenient dehumidifier drain points. If your basement has a radon gas mitigation system, or you have concerns that radon may be a problem, ask your design specialist about including our special Clean Space Wall system with your basement defense system. This ensures that the system is radon neutral. The Basement Defense Waterproofing System, including the Triple Safe Sump Pump System from Peak Structural, is the most advanced waterproofing system available and is designed to permanently keep your basement dry all the time.